So my little brother is going to be doing some opening today.
Mum, I can't. You get this shape and I'll open it, yeah?
What have you got the first one, Zach? Show it to the camera. What have you got?
I took get this water off Alpha.
Shall I help you?
And we've got the respect in. And we've got this. And the cup. Nothing else then? Mum, nothing else.
Got everything?
Yeah, that's everything. Go on, Whopper.
Instructions.
So, water goes in there and then it collects
stop
in the
it,
bottom. Yeah, you can stop it.